beyond your imagination. When you're on your way to work, or even when you work out, it's always with you. Be safe from what you can't see. Breathe easy while staying active. Go green while using sterilized filters. The world's first multifunctional mask with everything you want. The CX9H. Due to the evolving viruses and pollution, we are no longer able to live without masks. The world is wasting more than 10 billion masks every year. We should do something about this. Without polluting the earth, the CX9H can restore the safety that has been lost in our lives. The CX9H is the world's first cutting-edge mask equipped with filters, fans, and LED technology. It can be easily customized according to your needs. Medical-grade silicone and the world's largest size of 4-ply filter protects you from pollen and bacteria. Unlike disposable masks that cause environmental pollution, the CX9H is semi-permanent. Just wash and reuse. Simply plug it in. The CX9H will automatically sterilize the filter. Now you are saving the earth. We also have a fan that helps you breathe easy in 3 different modes. This fan circulates the air inside of the mask to lower the skin temperature. It also prevents skin breakouts. Also, the advanced material used for the fan absorbs the heat from within the mask and maximizes the cooling function while in operation. No matter how hard you work out, the CX9H stabilizes your breathing. The CX9H utilizes laser therapy that is harmless to the human body and is effective for skin therapy. Our mask received a lot of good trial product reviews from influencers and product reviewers. Our team is continuously researching and developing our mask to make the CX9H slimmer and lighter while keeping all of the mentioned functions.
Hello Kickstarter, I'm Jason, the campaign manager of STG24 in New York. We started to research products pertaining to filters, fans, and LED skincare about 5 years ago. After 3 years of research and 8 different prototypes, we finally made the CX9. We have now confirmed the shipping and mass production preparation, and we're all set to go. So with your support, please help us complete the last step of this product and bring the CX9 to life.